recording video. Good boy! Plus, the Z Flip 4 is compact. It's perfectly in my pocket. Wow.
Visit Samsung.com today to get the new Galaxy Z Flip 4.
Corey, every time I hit a squeeze juice, I think to myself, oh my goodness, I'm doing the right for once.
For your body, anyway.
Yes, they make it so simple. All of the juices are numbered, so if you're doing a 1-day cleanse or a 3-day cleanse or a 7-day cleanse, which you can order online, you just have to follow the numbers.
And even if I'm not doing a cleanse, I like the juices because I'm getting my fruits and veggies in.
You can order now, get free same-day delivery with the code word radio, and tell them Marcus and Corey sent you. It's squeezed.com. Order today.
As a master jeweler at Shane Company, I take pride in my work. Every time I set a diamond into an engagement ring, think about what this ring means to the couple, how it symbolizes their connection and dreams for the future. At Shane Company, our rings have stronger prongs to secure the center stone. There's more gold in the structure of the rings, and the quality shows. Every day in the jeweler workshop is different because each couple has a unique way of personalizing their engagement ring. Instead of a round diamond for the center stone, they might choose a pear-shaped diamond or an oval-shaped blue sapphire. Not only do we set stones, we resize rings, polish them, we can easily add engravings, and we also fix heirloom jewelry. No 2 days in the workshop are ever alike. So whether you're buying your engagement ring at the store or online, just know that a master jeweler has added their personal touch, and they know how much your ring means to you.
Now you have a friend in the jewelry business. Shane Company and ShaneCo.com.
Hey, Becky, what about the speed for your next song?
It's cool, but I'm into faster stuff lately. Like Xfinity that gives me beyond gig speeds.
Got it. What about this then?
It sounds powerful, just like Xfinity. Because its supersonic Wi-Fi has 3 times the bandwidth, you can connect hundreds of devices at once.
That's what I call power.
Unbeatable internet from Xfinity. Made to do anything so you can do anything.
Get the Xfinity Supersonic Bundle with unlimited gig speed internet, Wi-Fi equipment included, and a free 4K streaming box. All for $50 a month with a 2-year internet rate guarantee and no annual contract when you add Xfinity Mobile with unlimited data at regular rates. Go to Xfinity.com/gig. Or visit a store today. Limited time offer. Restrictions apply. Requires paperless billing and autopay. New gig extra internet customers only. Taxes and fees extra and subject to change. Xfinity Mobile requires post-pay. Reduced speeds after 20 gigabytes wireless usage. After 24 months, regular rates apply. Requires compatible Xfinity gateway.
Anyone in your home relies on power for medical equipment or has a medical condition with specific heating or cooling needs, you may qualify for PG&E's Medical Baseline Program, helping you pay less for the energy you need. Call 1-800-743-5000 for assistance applying.
Meet Boost, the amazing, amazing vitamin boost that makes you feel like... I like to boost it, we like to boost, the amazing, amazing vitamin boost.
T-Mobile believes customers deserve to get more without paying more. Everything from entertainment benefits like Netflix on Us, to travel benefits, to connection, all with taxes and fees included. So the price you see is the price you pay. When you're a T-Mobile customer, you get over $225 in value every month in benefits with our Max Family Plan.
That's like paying for nosebleed seats and getting to sit in the front row.
That's right. At T-Mobile, your family gets over $225 worth of value and benefits with our Max Plan each and every month. Plus, with our Price Lock Guarantee, we won't raise your rate plan price for talk, text, and data ever.
That's like paying for a cab and getting a stretch limo.
At T-Mobile, you get value beyond the expected. Qualifying service required. Value based on included in Max's monthly price. Price Lock guarantees rate price of talk, text, and data for new accounts with qualifying service. Exclusions apply. See details at T-Mobile.com.
Squeeze.com juice cleanses. Order yours today. Squeeze.com.
And in Fortnite, now open. The hottest concerts from the hottest artists. Fortnite games, friends, fun.
One more time.
The hottest concerts from the hottest artists. iHeartland and Fortnite games, friends, fun. Ready up and grab your squad. Go to iHeartRadio.com/Fortnite to start playing.
Star 1013 Bay Area
Traffic is brought to you by eBay Motors. In San Rafael, we still have that accident where 2 right lanes are Mission Avenue. Richmond, 2 right lanes blocked due to an accident 80 eastbound before El Portal Drive. You might not have the biggest garage on the block, but with eBay Motors, there's 122 million parts right at your fingertips. Whatever you need, there's something that fits your vehicle. Air filters, seat covers, and more. Get the right parts at the right prices. ebaymotors.com. Let's ride.
KIOI-FM, San Francisco, San Jose.
Star radio station. Available everywhere in our free iHeartRadio app. #1 for music, radio, and podcasts all in one.
More variety from the 2000s, the 90s, and today it's Star 1013. It's Marcus and Corey, and it's back again this morning. Second date update, y'all.
This is where we're trying to figure out why you went on a first date and thought it went really great, and then you try to get a second one and nothing's happening.
My favorite when they're like, dude, it was a shoo-in. It was going to happen. Like, what happened?
Yeah, like they thought the second date was in the bag.
Say good morning to Charlotte. Charlotte, good morning.
Hey, good morning.
One of my favorite
How's it
girls'
going?
names ever.
Really?
Yeah, it really is.
Interesting.
I don't know if that's a Charlotte's Web thing or what. Anyway, welcome.
Or you're a big fan of Charlotte and Sex and the City.
Possible. Okay, so we're going to talk about Joe and see what happened with your date. Tell us how you guys met, and then let us know how the date went.
Yeah, we met on Hinge, and we kind of, like, we got to know each other a little bit, like, by messaging.
Sure.
For about, like, a week.
Okay.
And then we're like, yeah, let's meet up in real life. Like, we were having a good conversation. And so, like, I thought when we met up in person, it just felt great. Like there was just, like, no topics off the table. Like, we just had really good conversation. Talk about anything. Like, I think personally that's really strong for a relationship.
Sure.
Like, if you can have great conversations, you know, it could really go somewhere. So we met up for happy hour in San Ramon, and, like, it was great. It was perfect. I had a lot of fun, and I thought we had, like, really good conversation. Can't wait for our next date.
Mm-hmm.
And then, like, nothing. Like, Joe ghosted, and, like, he didn't even text me back. I didn't hear anything after the date. So it was just kind of weird because... Yeah, because it went so well.
Well, like, you're talking about how great these conversations were. Was it because, like, you were being honest, you're being yourself?
Yeah, like, I don't think that was a bad thing.
No, I think it's great when you can be yourself.
You know, and I just met him online, so, like, maybe, you know, there's something with, like, another relationship that he's in.
Well, he's obviously married, you guys.
No.
Just kidding. Charlotte,
No.
sorry. I don't mean to scare you.
Well, that's kind of what I'm worried about, honestly.
Okay, here's what we're going to do. We're going to take a quick break, play a song, and we'll get Joe on the phone and see what's up, okay?
Okay.
Hang back, and we'll be right back. Star 1013.
Give me a second, I need to be straight. My friends are in the bathroom getting higher than the Empire State. My lover, she's waiting for me just across the bar. My seat's been taken by some sunglasses, asking about a scar. And I know I gave it to you months ago. I know you're trying to forget, but between the drinks and subtle things, the holes in my apologies, you know, I'm trying hard to take it back. So if by the time the bar closes and you feel like falling down, I'll carry you home tonight.